In this video, we listed the 5 best soldering station on Aliexpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. JCD8898 Soldering Station. The JCD8898 soldering station is a 2-in-1 rework soldering station with a hot air gun and electric soldering iron. It features dual LCD digital displays for precision temperature control, low noise, and space-saving design. The station also has an intelligent self-detection function for safe operation and automatic cooling to prolong the heater's life. Their hot air gun has a working voltage of AC 220-240V or AC 100-130V, with an output power of 800 W and a temperature range of 100 degrees C for 80 degrees C. The soldering iron has a working voltage of AC 220-240V or AC 100-130V, with an output power of 80 W and a temperature range of 180 to 500 degrees Celsius. It is designed for cell phone BGA SMD IC repair and comes with various welding repair tools. Number 2. GEEBOON TC20A Soldering Station. TC22 is an upgraded version of TC20, with improved circuitry and a maximum power of 380 W for TC20B. The host features 100 Hz dispersed heating, short circuit protection, and hot swappable tips. It supports a wide voltage range of 110-240V and comes with a 1-year warranty and lifetime cost maintenance. The device offers menu settings for temperature adjustment, theme interface, wake-up options, and buzzer volume. Additional information and resources can be found on Google Drive and Baidu. Number 3. JCD8586 Soldering Station. The JCD8586 Soldering Station is a 2-in-1 digital display SMD rework tool from mainland China. It features a hot air gun and soldering iron that can be used separately, with no interference with each other. The station has a high-quality alloy metal body with a silicone shell, LCD digital displays for precision temperature, and microcomputer control for quick warming up. It also includes features such as PID technology for temperature stability, adjustable airflow and temperature control, and an intelligent self-detection function for safe operation. The station is designed for mounting and reworking SMD components and comes with an ESD design to protect sensitive components. It also includes automatic cooling functions to prolong the heater's life and protect the hot air gun. Overall, the JCD8586 soldering station is a versatile and efficient tool for soldering and rework tasks. Number 4. JCD8898 PRO Soldering Station. The JCD8898 PRO SMD Soldering Station is a versatile 2-in-1 rework soldering station with a hot air gun and welding iron. It features dual LCD digital displays for precision temperature control, low noise operation, and automatic cooling function for prolonging the heater's life. Their hot air gun has a temperature range of 100 degrees C 500 degrees C and an output power of 800 W, while the soldering iron has a temperature range of 180 to 500 degrees Celsius and an output power of 80 W. With features like Fahrenheit, Celsius switching and heat gun airflow control and display, this portable soldering station is suitable for phone BGA, SMD PCB, and IC solder repair. It comes with ESD design and ceramics heater material for safe and efficient soldering. Number 5. UYUE 210 Soldering Station. The UYUE 210 soldering iron is a high-quality product from mainland China, with a power supply of 75 W and input voltage ranging from AC 100V to 240V and DC 12V. It features a temperature control range of 90°C to 480°C and is operated using button temperature control. The soldering iron head has a ground resistance value of less than 2 Q and a solder head-to-ground voltage of less than 2 MV. The handle is made of silicone material and has a wire length of approximately 1.2 meters. The integrated heating core soldering iron head and standard 210 series soldering iron head make it suitable for various soldering tasks. The product comes with troubleshooting instructions for the SE display era, caused by incorrect insertion of the soldering iron tip.